Good news, everybody. I bought something in December and I want to show you what it is. I know it's the end of May, but I haven't been ready to show you up until this point. So come along with me and let's look at my 2019 Coachmen Freelander 21QB. On the inside, it's got this U-shaped dinette. And a queen-size bed with a refrigerator, a kitchen, with a stove and oven and microwave. Has a bathroom with a shower, a sink, and a toilet. Overhead storage alongside the bed. Cupboard for the kitchen. This would be used as a bed, but I'm using it as storage. And the TV has overhead storage along top of the U-shaped dinette, and it has a wardrobe. The front is just a regular van chassis. It's built on a Ford Econoline E350 Super Duty. I made a little seat here for Duke. He enjoys sitting in it at night and watching out. Along the outside, there's a few things. This here is made for a TV, so you can put a TV there and watch it outside. Underneath this, there's the LP tank, which operates the stove, the refrigerator, the hot water heater, and the furnace. In the back, underneath the bed, there's a storage area. Pretty big storage area. Got it pretty well organized. A few solar panels in there, some tools. Along on the driver's side, there's another little storage compartment. An Owen OG 4000 generator, the furnace, the hot water heater, gas tank, and the freshwater inlet. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm sure you'll be seeing much more videos and adventures of me and the RV in the future. Thanks for